Hey guys, I'm going to draw Bulletkin from Fall Guys. Hope you can join along. I'm going to start with a rounded shape like so. And then I'm sketching it on with some pencil first because it will make it a little bit easier. I've already had a few goes at it and it hasn't been as good as I'd hoped. So we've got his head bit there. Now this part here is higher than this part, so this is his face, so where his face comes in. Then he's got his mouth slightly underneath there, about that sort of size, and then he's got two little parts here that look like eyes, mouth and eyes, but it's actually part of the bullet skin. Then we've got that part, then we've got that part, and that part there. Now that proportionally looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Hope you guys can follow along at home, and I hope you guys are using pencil too to get it looking good so far. I'm just sketching in the arm there, one arm coming out here, sort of like a rounded right angle for that part. Not putting the fingers on just yet, I'm just mapping out where they go. The legs, this one slightly comes this way, and then this one comes slightly more front on. Now it's time to outline. So this part's quite tricky. We'll start with the face. Let's put the eyes in. Rounded rectangle, or almost an oval shape. 1, 2 eyes in there. Now this has like an edge to it, so we're going to bring a line down here, and then a line comes around like this, back up, kinks in there, and then this is the edge coming around like that, almost like a big smile. And then it comes around, then down. Same on this side, comes down and around, and then comes back in like this. We're going to do the same here, it comes back in, and around and straight down there. Now this curved line here comes across like so. Now you can see how the construction lines have made that easier. Let's get back to the top part. We've got a line coming around like this, and then it comes and joins onto there. Then you see the under part of that, so it's like so. And then we have the helmet, or the bullet tip, coming around like this. There we are. Now we've got this part, which reminds me of a kawaii style smile. And you can see the top of that part. Now this is an oval shape, and then you see that inner side like that. This gives it that 3D look. Then back around like so, because that's the center. You see that side and that side, and then because that's slightly above, you see that part. Okay, let's go with the arm now. Bring it around, bring it out, gets wider as it comes out. First finger is like so, second finger's similar sort of size. This one's a similar size but just pointing up, and this one's a similar size coming out like that, the thumb. We're going to do the same on the other side. Bring it out and around the elbow, back up. Now for here, let's bring the finger around. These are like folded down. This one's pointing up, and then this one's pointing out like that. And when we shade that, that will look much better. Let's go with this side here, side there. Now this comes sort of around like that and kicks back in. This is sort of like an inner part that's a bit narrower, and then this comes out. Like that. And we have the foot with the shoe leg and the front of the shoe. The other leg comes down and across, back around, put a sole on, put the front of the shoe around like that, up and around.